Alright, so there's a question about the BIM problem here, so figured we'd go over it. It says determine whether the quadratic function here has a maximum or minimum value. So for that part, our a value is negative, so we know it's going to open down like this, which means that it's going to have a maximum value. So this part would be maximum. As you can see, is the correct answer there. And then the other part says find the value. So if we were going to write this in vertex form, as I showed you in the video for the lesson, the first thing we'd have to do is get this -3, we'd have to become a 1, and we got to get rid of this -9. So you have two choices at this point, but the best thing to do probably would be to add 9 to both sides. So I get f of x plus 9 equals -3x squared minus 6x. Alright, and then we need to get the a value become 1, so we're going to factor a -3 out of this. So that gives us -3 here, and then x squared plus 2x. And that equals f of x plus 9. Now if we complete the square inside of here, I would take half of b and square it and add it to both sides, so we're going to add 1 to both sides. But if I add 1 to the right hand side, I'm not really adding 1 because there's a -3 in front of the parentheses. So that means I'm actually subtracting 3 from the right hand side. So I subtract 3 from over here and I get f of x minus 6. And then from this point you can complete the square. So you get -3 x plus 1 squared. And I would add 6 to both sides, so I'd have plus 6. And I'd have f of x equals that. So that would be our vertex form. -1, 6 would be our vertex. So the value, the maximum value, is y equals 6. Because that is the y value of the vertex. Alright. If there's any other questions, please feel free to reach out.